All right, welcome back, guys. Wanted to talk to you today about Orderly Network. This is supposed to be a really big airdrop. I'm hearing more and more about it. Initially, I kind of faded it, not thinking much of it, but the more I look into it and the more I hear about it from other people. So it's powered by LayerZero, Celestia, and Optimism. So Orderly is a cross-chain order book for DEXs. It's already done 10 billion in trading volume. It's backed by major investors like Sequoia China, Pantera Capital, Primitive Ventures, Dragonfly Capital, Jump Crypto, GSR Ventures, fueled by high-profile partnerships with Google Cloud. This project is the real deal. So they're currently running a Zeely campaign right now. A lot of it is just the social stuff, connect your Twitter, connect your Discord, join a few communities, and they are also running a Galaxy campaign. Now, the Galaxy campaign is a little bit more in-depth, where you actually have to trade in volume. You get rewarded for the amount of trade volume you have. So we'll start off with the first one here. Get 210 points and an oat. They basically just announced a partnership with BitToro. This one's also a lot of social stuff, connect your Twitter, connect your Discord, and then you just get to like the tweet, retweet the tweet, and you can get the oat there. The next one, the underwater trading competition, you basically get rewarded for the amount of trade volume you have on WooFi Pro. Okay, so you get the 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. I am working currently on the 1 million. I think I have like 300 and something thousand. So it's, $1 million in trade volume takes a little bit, unless you're a huge whale. So the next one up is 5 million, and then they have a 10 million. So, but look at these participants. So the $1,000 NFT had 24,000 people have participated. The 10,000 has 12,000 participants. And as you go up, you got 100,000. So only 4,000 participants have gotten this high. Then when you hit the 1 million, you got 404. Okay. And if you keep working at it, 35 participants have done the 5 million in trade volume, and 19 participants have done the 10 million. So getting up that high takes a little bit of time, unless you've got like a couple $100,000 in trade deposits on WooFi Pro. You do need to make sure that it is WooFi Pro. I'll leave the links in the description for you. Basically, this is what it looks like. WooFi is the trading DEX. Now, Orderly is the underlying infrastructure that WooFi built on top of. All right, so you see here, it's a unified trading infrastructure for decentralized exchanges. So basically it is a plug and play experience where developers can build their decentralized exchanges and leverage Orderly's liquidity book. So they don't have to provide their own liquidity, which is a huge thing, right? It's also partnered with LayerZero, with Celestia, with Optimism. So this is going to be big. So the big thing now is making it seamless for users to participate cross-chain. So no more just Ethereum, no more just Arbitrum or Solana. I've seen Orbiter Bridge actually added Solana to the bridge, which is awesome. So right here on their website, please find a list below of activities and campaigns that will be factored into Orderly's decentralized vision. So right here, you can see that they're going to be rewarding EVM traders, so users who have traded on Orderly's EVM instance, Near traders on Near protocol, so users who have traded on Orderly's Near instance, the Galaxy campaign participants, and Zeely community members. I put about 1,300 bucks into a trading account here on WooFi Pro, and I have just been trading Bitcoin because Bitcoin is, as far as cryptos are concerned, it's the least volatile. It's a little bit more stable in that sense. So if I just want to place a limit or a market order, I'll do a market order just to make this quick. So basically I want to push max buy. Max buy, I'm purchasing $21,000 worth of Bitcoin. I'm at a 20x leverage right now, so I just would buy long. And remember, I'm not going to be in this trade long, right? So if I close it now, I've basically lost $2. So I'm just going to hurry up and close it. It says I made $4, but they do charge you to borrow the funds that it takes to do the 20x leverage, right? So I have like 1,000 in this account. I'm at a 20x leverage, so I just participated in a $21,000 buy, and then when I closed the trade, I participated in a $21,000 sell. So that's about $42,000 trade I just made right there, okay? I only lost a few dollars, so currently Currently, I am at 355,000, so I'm roughly a third of the way there, and I do want to hit that 1 million. You know, we'll see if I continue with it, how it goes, how easy it is for me to get to that 1 million if I'm going to continue to the 5 million. Ideally, the 5 million I think would be a really good turnout as far as the airdrop is concerned. So LogX Pro also leverages Orderly's order book as well. As far as I know, there has not yet been a date on any kind of airdrop. So then the last one, become an Orderly contributor. That's probably a really good one to participate in as well. This is another social one, really easy, 3 clicks. Follow Orderly Network on Twitter. You have a member role in the Orderly Network Discord, and that's basically just accepting the invite and verifying yourself, and boom, you've got that click right there. And then you want to visit the Orderly community to join the quest, and you basically, again, just click this, go to the page, follow Orderly, and you will get this as well. So here you get the contributors Discord role. It might not show right away that you have this Orderly contributor role, which is right here. I have not been unlocked yet. I would imagine they probably do the verifications like once every day or every 2 days. The more I'm learning about it, the more I'm realizing that this project's going to be a big deal. It has huge partnerships, and this could be like another wormhole type of a project, which wormhole airdrop is going to be a big one. You can come in here and check your rank, exclamation point, and then type in rank. I am still 0. I am 29 to 650. This will probably update whenever they through and verify the trading volume and the Orderly contributor role, but for right now, I'm still down here. Slowly completing these Galaxy tabs. I'm working on the Zeely tab right now, actively participating in this underwater trading competition. So I expect over the next week, I will probably bump up quite a few spots. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you want to find out a little more about Orderly, you can come right to their docs. It'll go through and give you the introduction, all the use cases, 2024 roadmap. You can go through all that. Quick update, guys. I became one of the 411 participants to complete the $1 million trading volume on WooFi Pro for the Orderly airdrop. It was fairly time consuming. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue on to the 5 million, but we'll see. Anything's possible. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and continue watching for more.